Hey guys, it's Zillman Wags here with Dirt Killer Pressure Washers, showing you one of our beefiest operating hoses. What we have here is a full 300-foot section of high pressure hose, rated for 6,000 PSI. This one is a 3/8 hose that is made out of 2-wire. If you know from some of our earlier videos, 2-wire is simply more durable than 1-wire hose. And if you're putting one continuous hose on a spool, 2-wire is definitely what you want to be going for. I will say, this hose is a beast, all right? Not only is it just massive in its size and overall length, but it is a beast to wield. Anyone that's gonna be dragging this around a property of any kind, they're definitely gonna get some huge upper gains from whatever it is that they're doing. The point of this hose is basically to give you one continuous hose so you don't have those quick disconnects that are, we'll say, causing some sort of restriction over top of the hose reel itself, and to give you a more reliable, durable line running out to your operator if you need less quick disconnects that, again, can be prone to leaks. You'll notice some of the features of this hose. We do have our classic Dirt Killer bend restrictors. We've got our 3/8 swivel crimps that are the factory standard for all of our hoses, in addition to our stainless steel quick disconnects with the stainless steel ball bearings and high temp Viton O-rings. This hose is really a beast to use. 6,000 PSI, 3-to-1 operating pressure, as well as a 212 degrees Fahrenheit operational temperature. And what that translates to is this is going to be the most durable hose on the market for your application, just because of how it's designed. We love hearing people's feedback in the comments section below. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out dirtkiller.com. Let's kill some dirt.